Okay, now we're gonna go one to one that I really love. I think that this one is the most amazing one. Okay, it's the flow map. Okay, so to take a look at this one, we actually need to get it another type that is not here. So you have to click here on get more visuals. Get more visuals. It will go online and have a library of thousands and thousands. I don't know how many different ones that were developed later that you can use into Power BI, and we're going to use the flow map. Okay. So flow map is a really cool visual tool. We did it many times with many different companies. They were all kind of amazed. How can we create this map so fast? Okay. And especially if you have looking at distribution data. So this is the one that you need to pick up, the Weiwei Kui. You just click add and it will create this cool visuals showing where the shipments were originating, where they're going, what is the flow. It's pretty cool. So here's the data. It's quite simple, but it's still going to be kind of a cool way to represent. We're going to do some a lot more complex one in class, of course, and in Captain Consultant Project, we did pretty cool ones. So click here on the flow map. You're going to open it. And now the fields that it has are related to origin and destination. And this is zip codes. Okay, so you can use zip codes later on. You can use latitude and longitude as well. But in the beginning there, we're going to put origins and destinations. Zip codes, we have that. It's the easy way. So you have them here, origin zip, you drag it there, customer zip, you drag it there. So you can see how cool it is. As I said, it's a very simple flow map that we're dealing with here, but sometimes we have hundreds of origin, hundreds of destinations. So you show all on the map, really cool representation. So I have the zips and zips, the width, usually I put it to be the quantity, right? So that's what we wanted to show. That's how much is going from one location to another. And then the color, I'll say, let's put on the origin city. So where is it coming from, right? If it's, remember we have two locations. We have Wilmington and Charleston that are shipping those rail cars. So click on origin city, and then we're going to see if we can have some cool colors there for the cities there. Okay, so map control colors here for the, let's change the color, right? Why do you want to the same color? So one is blue, let's say the other one is red, right? So you can see here that you have most of the volume coming from Wilmington here and going to Columbia, and then some of them going to Charleston, some of them going to this area here, and a little bit going to that area. And you can see that a lot lower volume is coming from Charleston and go. And then you can click here, you can take a look where is it going from and to. Again, all of these tools, they have amazing other ways to do stuff. Here it tells you origin name, if I want to put it the name here, destination. So it's cool because then let's say customer city, so that's destination name, and put it here. So when you drag there, you can see to Gaston instead of, and you can see that location is actually Hampton. And then you can see origin, you can put origin city. So whenever you drag, instead of using zip code, you see Wilmington to Gaston. You can see here Charleston to Gaston, right? And other things and labels and stuff that you can do. So it's a really cool tool. You can also use filters on this if you want to see just certain types of shipments or not. So pretty cool way to show kind of this visual flow of products. Again, you can filter only 2021, 2022. You can do some other cool stuff.